Okay, we're all awake now. Today I'm talking about the angle grinder. Now the angle grinder travels at 11,000 revolutions per minute. A bench grinder travels at 2,840 revolutions per minute. Now the first thing I always do with the angle grinder is see whether the switch is off. Even before I plug it in, it's got to be off. Now when I use the angle grinder, I like to keep it on the outside of my body and hang on to the main body and the handle. I always have the handle there with the guard in place. You have to look around for different things when you're using it, like whether a clamp sticking up. I used to like to invert it to try and reduce that hazard. We've got face shields, gloves, good to wear, and without the guard at 11,000 revolutions per minute, kickback's very possible. With a respirator, make sure you replace it after a couple of years. And like always, stand with your legs apart so you're very stable. This is a 185 diameter circular saw. I found this tool can also be very dangerous. You can get a couple of sizes up from this, but the common one is the kickback again. And if you're cutting a piece of wood in between two sawhorses, it pays to put a piece of wood underneath and clamped, so when you cut through the piece of wood you want to cut, it doesn't kick back, and it will kick back. Or also put some WD-40 on the blade to help it cut better. I have worn one blade out and knocked some of the tungsten teeth off over time, but just following the basics, you can reposition yourself comfortably, and like all power tools, it's up to the individual to take more time so it's safer. That's it.